Have you been annoyed by the Devenum Library DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze Device Enumerator, DirectShow dependency, and restore that missing file. To kick off the manual repair for Devenum Library, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the Devenum Library, the Device Enumerator library. It provides localized routines for DirectShow applications to scan and identify available localized audio and video capture devices, like webcams or microphones, for media stream graphs. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This error usually means a required graphics runtime file such as Devenum Library DLL is missing. Use the official Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime installer to restore legacy DirectX libraries, followed by a GPU driver update if needed. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Devenum Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Rebooting didn't re-establish the interface link, so we'll use a specific command to register the component. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a specific pointer in the registry. If the system cannot locate that reference, the file will fail to load even if it is physically present on the drive. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install Devenum Library DLL into directories where it does not natively belong. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to Devenum Library. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Devenum Library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.